Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Maryam Sajjad from CID News Network with my program Around the World in 60 Seconds. PM Imran Khan inaugurates low-cost family apartments for laborers in Peshawar. Prime Minister Imran Khan on Wednesday inaugurated a distribution ceremony of low-cost apartments among the citizens of Peshawar. While addressing the participants of the ceremony, PM Imran Khan said that under the project, 2,056 family apartments will be distributed among registered workers of the province through the process of balloting. NCOC allows staggered relaxation in COVID SOPs. The National Command and Operations Center on Wednesday decided to allow opening of educational institutions in districts with less than 5% COVID-19 positivity ratio, outdoor dining by restaurants and tourism sector under stringent SOPs from May 24th. Israeli airstrikes killed 6 level large family home in Gaza. Israeli airstrikes killed at least 6 people across the Gaza Strip and destroyed the home of a large extended family early on Wednesday. The military said it widened its strike on targets to the south amid continuing rocket fire from the Hamas-ruled territory. Israeli attacks on Gaza. The United Nations General Assembly to hold emergency session today to discuss Israeli aggression and the grave situation in Gaza. Indian Navy recovers 22 bodies from barge that sank due to cyclone. Indian Navy ships recovered 22 bodies of people who were aboard a barge that sank off Mumbai as a cyclone blew ashore this week. Saudi Foreign Minister hopeful over exploratory Iran talks. Saudi Arabia is hopeful after exploratory talks with Iran. Its foreign minister told AFP in a rare comment to delegate discussions whose details have been closely guarded. Biden tells Israel he expects significant de-escalation in Gaza violence. United States President Joe Biden told Israel's Prime Minister Benjamin that he expects significant de-escalation on Wednesday in the violence with the Palestinians and intense efforts to reach a ceasefire. European Union agrees to open doors to vaccinated foreigners. European Union countries agreed on Wednesday to ease COVID-19 travel restrictions on non-European Union visitors ahead of the summer tourist season, a move that could open the bloc's door to all Britons and to vaccinated Americans. Australian doctors warn vaccine hesitancy makes citizens sitting ducks. Australia's peak medical body on Thursday warned the country's residents were sitting ducks for COVID-19 as business leaders called for the international border to be reopened faster despite a sluggish national vaccination drive. European Union top envoy to Iran nuclear talks says confident deal will be reached. The European Union official leading talks to revive Iran's nuclear deal said he was quite sure an agreement would be reached as the negotiation adjourned for a week. This is end of today's international news. Thank you for watching CID News Network, Islamabad.